Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch React, and I'm going to show you today how to add some more assets to the game that I'm building here. I started with this nice crocodile character, and I animated it in Procreate Dreams, and then I imported it into Buildbox as PNG sequences. So now let's start adding things. I really like using flat icon. I'm going to add this tree, and I'm going to show you how I make it here in Figma. So this is now an SVG, so let's just take away the things that we do not need. I'm just interested in the tree itself. So let me see here. Let me open this up here. Let me find the tree. I think, yeah, here is the tree. This is a really nice tree. I use a plugin called Vector to 3D in Figma that is amazing. That is how I added depth to my crocodile, and I'm going to open it up. And let me just make some more space here because it's really space hungry, this plugin. You really need a big screen. And I'm not going to go into how to make this. I'm just have this settings that I have been playing around with. You can do a lot of things, but I like this one, this setting for making 3D look from 2D flat surface illustrations. So the first thing you need to do is just to select your vector shapes and then convert from selected. And then in 1 millisecond, you see it's super nice. I don't need to do anything else. This is a preview, and if you want to export this, you just go to render, and it takes a little while depending on the settings you have. I think I have like the highest settings, 1024 and product. Actually, you don't need to have this kind of resolution actually for a game, 2D game, but let's just go with this. So here's the really nice tree, and one important thing is to make sure that your camera angle is 0, 0. So I want them flat. If you would want something else, you can do maybe an isometric thing. You would do like that, but I want 0, 0, like that. Looks nice. You can also play around with lightning, but I think looks great. So let's just add this PNG into Figma so I can take it out. So just click insert, and here it is. So you can see the difference here from this to this in just one click. Then let's add something else. Let's add, let me see what I can find. Let's add, so we have that kind of tree. Maybe we could have some flowers. Let me see what I can find. So this style is doodle hand drawn flat. Let's sun, maybe a sun, little sun. This one is nice, but I want to have the sun so I can see it. This one was rather nice. I like that one. That was really nice. So let's add this one. I really like the palm trees, but maybe just the sun. But let's do this instead. Let's do. I like the rainbow also. That was really nice. This sun was nice. It's really simple, but looks good. Here we have something. That one, I really like that one. So let me download it like that, and let me drag it into Figma, and let me remove the things that I don't need. Again, here's the sun. I also really like these clouds, so let me take that one. I also like the palm trees. Makes no sense having palm trees and these kind of trees in the same scene, but who cares? Even the stars were nice. So let me do that again. Convert from selected, looks great. Insert, we have that one. Let me just go there like god damn it, like that. That one, convert from selected, also great. Insert. This one also, insert. No, sorry, I was too quick there. I mean, first convert from selected and then insert. We have a couple of things, and as you can see, these are all alpha, transparency alpha things, and that is great. Did we have the sun there? The clouds. I need the clouds. This style is awesome. I really love it. So that nice tree, and then we have that one, that one, that one, and then palm tree left, maybe that one, and then we have palm tree right. And then we just take all of these and export them as PNGs. This size is enough. They are huge actually. We will make them smaller, and I will just export these ones. And what I do right now is that I actually let's make just assets and have assets, backgrounds. Let's just put them there. I always compress the images. I mean, and I use tiny PNG. So from 152 kilobytes to this size, I mean, all these things matter when you're building a game. So let's copy this one to my asset location and override it, since I want to keep things neat and nice and small and everything. So let's just take the nice tree and drag it into Buildbox and add it as a background, because I want this into the background. And I'm using a template, which is nice because it's a great way of just start building things. And as you see, this is a nice feature of Buildbox. If you add something as a background, it will tile it, and you have the tiling offset over here. So say that I want to have quite a distance between the trees, I can just add tiling offset, and then we will move them up like that. And I don't know, maybe the size is too big. I think I actually like it. So let's just run the game and see how it looks. Looks awesome actually, like that. Here's my crocodile. Oh, I jumped a bit like that. You see, we have some really nice trees here in the background. Let me be better at this game. I suck. Like that. And let's add something else. Let's add a cloud or something. That nice cloud there. Also, once again, I will compress this. It's a bit tedious, but it's a great way of keeping things neat, small, and fast. So I do this with all the assets. Of course, I would actually do this all at the same time, but now I'm doing this tutorial. So frack it. Let's add the cloud also as a background. I want it to be there. And as you can see, it's really big. Just add, we will change the scale like that. And a lot of tiling. Really, no, that's too much. Maybe like that. I can also change the speed, and this is nice. So if I have a really slow speed, it will move differently, of course, from when you go about your things here in the game. And it will be a nice, there it is. It's actually moving in the wrong direction, so you should move to the other in the other direction, but you get it. You need to tweak these things as you go, of course. Maybe if we go speed 0 or maybe 1, as this, the nice trees has speed. So let's go and do this. This is how it is when you're building a game. There's a lot of back and forward, and actually I hate this obstacle here. I will remove it. I don't need it right now. I'm just going to see how my things are looking in the background. So now the trees move. I don't like that. I think if I put it to 1 is like no, it will feel like they are there. Exactly. They do not move, since it's the same speed that I have in my world. Like that. So if I add, yeah, they have 1, -1. Let's see what happens if I add -1. Maybe they move in the opposite. Yeah, they moved in the opposite direction. I don't know if I like that, but no, they should go to this direction. Let's see. Let's restart this like that. Now they are moving in the direction that I want them to be. And I really don't like these obstacles like that. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just making a chill game here. You cannot die. Maybe I will remove that one, that one. Let's go again. Like that. And it takes a little while for the trees to load. And now I'm just looping one scene, so that's why it's really weird. Like that. So as you can see, this was just a nice couple of tips and tricks how to, let's add the sun also, of course. Let's add the sun. And we have the palm trees. So we're going to add the palm trees also. We don't care that this is so weird. Let's add them as a background also. This is a weird universe, doesn't make any sense. We have palm trees and other trees like that. Let me position them. Actually, they should be bigger. Maybe like that. Something like that. And they should be way behind here. That. And let me 4,000. Like that. Jump, jump, jump. Whee! Let me see if I can see a palm tree. Maybe I did. Here's a palm tree. There it is. Looks a bit weird. Here's a tip. You could go about changing the, let's just add them more regularly so that we can style them. The opacity is a nice way of making them look like they are far off in the background. And let me make them much smaller, and they will feel like they are really, really a long way in the background. Something like that. And then let's make it like 800 maybe. Yeah, We will not win an award for this game, but you can understand what I'm trying to do here. Something that's bothering me is that it takes a while for them to load into the scene. I don't know why that is. I think it is because, yeah, I know. I think maybe it's because my world is so small. So let me just make it a lot wider. Tiling offset, maybe like that, something like that. And let me check the speed. Nice, tree has one cloud is faster. Let's save. Let's replay this. That. Up, boom, boom. Yeah, I need to understand why the asset is loading so slow in the background. But one way of doing this is just to actually increasing the offset, so they really do not come so often. That way they should be all right. Let's try it out. That. Here I go. I'm a happy crocodile. I don't understand what's happening in my life, but I'm very happy. And then, yeah, that did the trick. So I just made sure I offset them enough, and then they will like be loading off screen, and that's great. That's it, guys. This tutorial was a bit much longer than I anticipated, but these are a couple of nice tricks how to just add gaming assets to your game. If you can't draw, I can't draw so well. So cheers, bye.